You got the product in here? Yeah. Okay, this is our new Flex backer pad from Hammerfab. So this is a 3D printed rubber backer that flexes. See how much that flexes? So pretty much the same as our rigid ones, but these ones are going to pass the drop test. Well, we hope. We're going to go check it out. I'm going to go up there and I'm going to drop this down and see if it survives. Let's go. You stay there. Oops, I hit your toolbox. Sorry. Yeah, I don't think you're ready. Ready? Alright, drop test number 2. That one landed right on the rubber. Yeah, they're not going to break. Yeah, grab that, brother. Let's check it out. You look good? What's that? It's bad. Okay, so we did 2 drop tests on this backer pad. This is our new rubber flex pad. You can see it looks pretty straight. It does have a little bit of a wobble to it. Not much. So it does not vibrate right now. Still feels pretty smooth, but let's see what it grinds like. Still grinds nice and smooth. It's got a real nice feel to it. Check these out, guys. Hope you like them. Get them at hammerfab.com.